If you are balding, your hair is thinning out, you're experiencing hair breakage, hair fall, or you just want to grow your hair faster, I'm going to show you a very simple DIY hair growth recipe that can help boost your hair growth, repair your damaged hair, and even thicken up your hair strands. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. If you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on this video. There are a lot there that you could have watched, but you decided to stop here with me today. This is moringa powder. Moringa powder is super powerful. I mean, one of the powerful natural ingredients for hair growth that you can ever find. Moringa powder has so many benefits that can help you grow your hair. It has iron, zinc, and some other minerals that can strengthen your hair strands, prevent hair breakage, hair fall, and also treat your scalp. We are also going to need a carrier oil. Today, I'm going to use coconut oil and I'm going to tell you why I chose to use coconut oil. But before getting into all that, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe, click on the bell, so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so I measured about a tablespoon of my moringa powder and put in my mason jar. I also added my plant-based oil, which is coconut oil. I used organic coconut oil. I added about 4 tablespoons of my organic coconut oil. There is no specific measurement to this. The trick is to make sure you add enough oil to cover your natural ingredients. There are so many plant-based oils out there that you can use. You can use olive oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, just to mention a few. I just love coconut oil because it is lightweight, it easily penetrates your hair strands and also prevent hair breakage. But these other plant-based oils that I mentioned also have their own benefits, so feel free to use any oil that works well with your hair. There are a few tricks I'm going to show you with this DIY hair growth oil, so make sure you're not skipping any part of this video because I'm going to show you several ways to use this powerful hair growth oil to boost your hair growth, prevent hair breakage, and also strengthen your hair strands. So what I did was I used the double boiler method to infuse the moringa powder with my carrier oil. So what you do is you mix the oil with the moringa powder. You're then going to put some water in a saucepan, put it on the stove and allow it to boil. You're going to use the double boiler method to infuse this oil. So you're going to allow it to sit in the hot water for at least 15 minutes or until the oil is warm to touch. Make sure you're doing this on a medium heat. Once the oil is all melted or it is warm to touch, you're going to set it aside and allow it to cool down. So once your oil is all cooled down, this is what you're having. Look at how beautiful this DIY hair growth oil is already looking. It is so potent, guys. But there are a few tricks or tips that you need to know. You can always add any essential oil of your choice. Essential oils are so powerful when you add them to any DIY hair growth recipe. I added some lavender oil, just a few drops, about 5 drops of lavender oil. I love the smell of lavender oil. Again, essential oil also adds to the smell of any DIY recipe and also add extra benefits to it. I also added a few drops of my peppermint essential oils. These two essential oils will treat your scalp from dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp issues. Another tip is to add castor oil. Castor oil will condition your hair. So, if you compare castor oil to the regular plant-based oils, castor oil is a thicker oil. So, when you apply it to your hair strands, it moisturizes your hair, stay in your hair longer to prevent hair breakage. I'm also going to add vitamin E oil. Just a few drops, about 5 drops of vitamin E oil is just enough for this quantity of oil I'm making. Vitamin E oil can prevent hair breakage and will also strengthen your hair strands. Alright, so after mixing everything together, this is my pure moringa oil. You're going to use this on your wash days as your hot oil treatment. Alright, so this is the instructions. Make sure you follow all the instructions. Before you use this oil, warm it up to a temperature that your scalp can tolerate. You can put it in hot water to warm it up. After that, you section your hair, you apply this on your scalp, on your hair strands, then you massage it in. Cover your hair with a rubber cap for about 30 minutes, then rinse it out. Go ahead and moisturize your hair, apply a leave-in conditioner, and also put your hair in a protective hairstyle. Repeat this at least once a week. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try at home.